सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्नो न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Presenting JBL Go, a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Available in 8 vibrant colors. This compact Bluetooth speaker is lightweight, weighing 130 grams and provides 3 watt of audio output. Its rechargeable battery provides up to 5 hours of playback time on a single recharge. This speaker also comes with a 3.5 mm stereo input. The JBL Go Bluetooth speaker comes with a built-in speakerphone with noise and echo cancellation and a mic for answering calls hands-free. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. The JBL Go portable wireless Bluetooth speaker can be bought on Amazon through cash or card on delivery or online payment. Presenting the JBL portable wireless speaker with powerful bass and mic. Its 3000 mAh rechargeable battery provides with a whopping 12 hours of playtime. Sporting durable IPX7 certified waterproof fabric makes the speaker a suitable companion for all kinds of weather. It is JBL Connect Plus enabled, which means you can connect it wirelessly along with other JBL speakers to create a balanced music system. The technology in this speaker terminates echo and noise to produce clear superior stereo sound. With its inbuilt speakerphone, it makes answering calls convenient. It can also connect you to the Google Assistant or Siri with voice assistant integration. It has a 1-year warranty provided by the manufacturer from date of purchase. Buy today from Amazon and pay easily with credit or debit card or cash on delivery. You can also pay in EMIs as well.